me I'm right, tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm weak, tell me I'm strong. I'll take a hit to the soul and move on. I know that everything I do is wrong. Yeah, you don't know shit about me, you don't know shit about me. Nah, I'm falling down on my knees, looking to heavens I see. Your eyes are coated from feelings too strong. My legs are weak from always moving on. You come back hard in my mind every song. We used to sing but now I sing alone. I feel like shit, wish you were gone. I cannot quit, just move along. My mind is stuck, you don't belong, you don't belong. Ooh, oh, oh.
Oh, your lips turn blue. These lies hold truth, and I'll be fine without you. Without you. Without you. Without you.
Hard times full of regret. You lied under every breath. I'm fine, I just need to forget. Bottle full, light a new cigarette. Lightheaded, I'm infected with thoughts of you injected, like heroin addicted. Two things inside my head, and your eyes, they pierce your veil. I try but always fail. My mind not strong of will. And still, I hope to one day move on. Know you already moved on. And as I write this cold song, I know that you won't hold on.
Turn blue. These lies hold truth, and I'll be fine without you.
That's enough, I'm broken, done with emotion. Had enough, I'm swollen from all that you've stolen. It's over, I'm broken, done with emotion. It's over, I'm broken, it's over, I'm broken. I said you better watch what you're doing, 'cause I ain't gonna stop when I'm moving. I'm headed to the top, I'ma do it. I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it. And baby girl, I like what you're doing. Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it. You know I'll treat you right, let me prove it. And I could go all night, I'm sick of being nothing. All right, I'm gonna be something. I'll fight with every breath, trust me. I'ma be the one at the top, you can't touch me. I need to find somebody like me, who wants to be something. I bleed with every word coming. I would rather die than be someone who's nothing. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes, 'cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous, 'cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous. I'ma take it now, no you're never gonna break me. I'ma stay loud in the face of the hate, see. I'ma speak out, take the muzzle off my face, breathe out of my mouth.